Hey guys, it's the Canadian Slimer, and today I'm going to be testing out Instant Clear Slime. I saw this on YouTube by a few Slimers, so all I'm doing is putting some borax activator into a bowl, and then I'm going to be pouring clear glue into it afterwards. And I was looking for food coloring, but I still have no idea where all my slime stuff are. So hopefully soon I can organize everything, and I'm going to be showing you guys a what's it called? A slime. What's it called? Like a tour of all my slime stuff. So as you can see, it pretty much works, but I would probably recommend using activator that isn't like that has a lot of borax in it, because I used slime that had a lot of borax, so it kind of got tough at the end. But other than that, it is a holdable slime that you can play with, but it's not really like a pokeable slime or anything. Probably just something you can hold in your hand. So that's it for the video. Just a quick, short, simple hack that you guys can use for instant clear slime, just to, you know, look at or play with or do cool videos with. Just make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more. See ya!